Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting and sharing outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct thorough research of your own before following our actions. The stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. So there are few buy ideas today generated by the AI system, and the first one is Aptus Housing, which is in mortgage finance. So yesterday we saw a good rise in the Aptus stock, and I think it will continue to rise. That rise was because of the RSI. So the stock was oversold and now it is starting to rise. And if you see the Bollinger Bands as well, the stock has just crossed the lower band. So the stock is trading at 352 rupees right now, and the target price would be 369 with a stop loss of 345. The beta ratio is extremely good, and this might be a good buy idea for today, 1st of March 2024. The next idea that we have is that of rallies. And rallies is right now trading at 248 rupees. The target price for this would be 261 with a stop loss of 246. We can expect around 15% gain, but the duration for which you need to hold the stock is roughly around 2.5 months, I'd say. But we can expect around 15% gains in this stock. Again, if we look at RSI, this stock is overbought, so it's a slightly risky deal, but they have a good beta ratio. It can be a good one for the long term as well. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, the stock is undervalued, I would say, and it has just crossed the lower band. But again, this is slightly risky buy option because of the number of shares that have been already bought. The stock is very, very close to being overbought. The third buy idea for today, and this is the last buy idea for today, is that of IGL, which works in regulated gas. Now, this stock is trading at 426 rupees. The target price is 443 with a stop loss of 423. If, if we see the Bollinger Bands, again, the stock has gone down and has remained narrow in a narrow range for quite a bit, but it is steadily increasing. So this may suggest that there may be a breakout coming, and if you see the RSI, the stock is oversold right now. So this is a very, very good buy option, and hopefully the stock does well. Now, also let us look at some of the stocks, how they're trading from our previous ideas. So Bajaj Finance has made a loss of 2.23%, and this has crossed the lower circuit. So it may be a good idea to sell off this stock and cut your losses. The other stock which is making losses again is TI India. Again, this has breached the lower circuit, and it may be a good idea to sell this stock. As we discussed yesterday, Tata Communications, it has held steady in yesterday's session. So let's wait and watch what happens with this. But we will sell it only if it starts to dip. Otherwise, hold on to the stock. But the moment the price starts decreasing, say by 0.5% from this stage, maybe it will be a good idea to sell this one. Another stock which has risen recently is, and which we had recommended, is Agenda Pharma. So it has hit its target and it has crossed its target, but don't be in a hurry to sell this off right now. Let's see how high it can go, and then we can try and sell it off. But again, like Tata Communications, if the stock goes lower by 0.5%, then it might be a good idea to sell this one. So Century Ply is very, very close to the lower circuit. So maybe it's a good idea to sell this stock and cut down our losses here. So that is all we have for today from Kubir Kushagra AI. Again, we want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you and have a good day ahead.